Let's be ready because the private jet you want to arrive around 2 o'clock. So when the private
I
jet
thought the
arrives,
private jet's getting there at 10.
yeah, it's not.
Don't lie in my rap. So you can't say no cap because you lie. Don't even say it. You can't say no cap because you lie. You
No
lie.
cap, no cap.
No, don't say no cap. Don't say no cap. You say cap.
I say no cap,
No cap.
no cap, babe. See,
No
fuck
cap.
boy, no cap now. I'm not saying
No
no
cap.
cap.
Cap. You cap a lot.
I'm no
You're
cap.
That's what I'm gonna call you from now on, Mr.
Which,
Cap.
which one?
I'm gonna call you Mr. Cap a lot.
No, my name is Mohammed Abdullahi, aka Monica Monigo, Pop Smoke friend, bad guy
No,
in
Mr.
London.
Cap a lot.
Yeah,
Mr. Cap a lot.
it's not Mr. Cab. My name is Pop Smoke friend. Everybody see me from Nigeria, they are calling me, what Pop Smoke friend? I say, wow, what's up, Pop Smoke friend? Anywhere where I go right now, they are calling me Pop Smoke friend because I'm a tight friend. Like, I'm tight. They are calling it tight. They are calling it tight friend. Friend cannot forget a friend. When you died, can remember any day, any sleep when you wake up, you can remember your
My
friend.
phone lighting up because it knows you're lying. My phone
Hey,
just knows you're lying.
I want to tell you something.
What do you want to tell me now, Father?
My president, he just got a new doctor from China today because of COVID-19.
COVID.
COVID-19.
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 When you search it, you see COVID-19.
No, it's COVID. COVID. COVID.
Oh, COVID-19.
Yeah,
So I can't call it COVID-19.
it's COVID.
Who is people creating coronavirus? It's China people. And still sending the doctor for us. Anybody test me now, before you touch me, I'm gonna be testing you. I have my sanitizer in pocket. I'll carry my sanitizer, go anywhere where I like. I have two sanitizers.
Sanitizer.
Sanitizers.
Yeah. Sanitizer.
Anywhere you go, you need to sanitize. Sanitize. Can it be coronavirus? Anywhere you go, you need to sanitize. Santantar. Uga santantar. Uga santantar. I say, my manager just called me now. She's telling me, right, let's be ready because the private jet, you want to arrive around 2 o'clock. So when the private
I
jet
thought the
arrives,
private jet's getting there at 10.
yeah, it's 10 o'clock. You're gonna arrive.
It's not 10 o'clock. You said it was 7.
Huh?
You said it was 7 o'clock. It's not 7.
7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Why? Why?
You said the jet is coming for 10 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. So what are you lying about this time?
No, I'm talking about the pilot who are gonna be driving the jet. The pilot who are gonna driving the jet. They are arriving. They are already land in my house right now. So I'm waiting
So
for
the
the
pilot's
jet.
in your house right now.
And the pilot in my house. So the private
Let me
jet is
see. Let
not
me see
coming.
the pilot. Let me say hi.
They are not coming inside. They are about to enter. So I'm telling you, they are around with me. They are around for me right now. So they can enter any moment from now.
Did it
The
rain today?
pilot. And our pilot come with different.
No, did it rain outside today?
Eh?
Did it rain today?
Yeah, arriving today. We are moving today.
No, did it rain today?
Who?
Did it rain today?
No.
So why are you confused?
It rained before in the morning.
We said it didn't rain today.
It rained in morning. I say in morning. We are different time now. Check what time we're over there now.
It's 7:53.
Yeah, right now in Nigeria it's 8:50. So we have to have different
You're
time.
Why did you lie?
I'm lying now. I'm lying. I'm lying for you. Isn't every day I'm lying for you? You're gonna get some. You're gonna get some days. You're gonna choose the lie, because the lie. I'm not lying every day now. You get the day where I'm lying for you. I say when rain is falling in my country, in my town, Lagos State. Yeah, everybody convincing us.
I know you said.
Yes, but rain is falling in the morning, but it's not in the evening right now. Rain is not falling right
But
now.
you said. But I thought you said you're in Togo.
Yeah. It's not far from Nigeria. You can call Togo in Nigeria. You can call Nigeria Togo. You can call
You see,
Togo
but you know how
Nigeria.
you're a liar because I said you told me that Togo is the street. So now you're in the country. You're in Togo, the country. Bye. I've had enough. Bye. See you later.
No. Why?
See you later. I'm going.
Because why?
Don't start. You said you. Don't start.
Why they do that?
You have no tears. There's no tears. Stop putting water on your eyes. Don't put water on your. Don't put water on your. Don't put water on your face. Don't put water on your face.
Eh?
I thought you're putting water on your face.
No, no.
Why are you
Wait,
crying this time?
wait.
What?
Why you over there? Who is with you over there is dragging you going? Because
No,
I don't see
I
say
just
you
want
are.
to go.
Why you doing makeup? Why you doing makeup by this time? It's time over there now. Why you makeup?
Because you never know who can FaceTime you.
Eh?
You never know who
Eh?
can FaceTime you.
First time.
You don't know who's going to FaceTime you, so I have to do my makeup.
No. Time night is coming already. You're not supposed to do makeup by this time.
No,
It's
you never
over
know
there.
who can FaceTime me, so I want to look cute.
Okay, when you did makeup done, when you wanna go? Where you wanna go?
Huh?
Where you wanna go?
Go, what do you mean?
Hey, why you doing makeup? You're not going anywhere.
Because you don't know his house party. I'm going on house party.
House party.
Yeah,
Who is there? Is house party?
it's an app.
Who is Anne? Hey, they don't collect me from you.
It's an app.
Eh?
It's an app.
Wait, when you get the house party, yeah, you know calling man.
Huh?
When you go the house party, yeah, you know calling man. Only woman.
House party is an app.
Me, I don't know. I don't know house party. I don't know what's a house party. I don't know who is a house
Okay,
party.
I'm
I don't
going
know
on
where is house
FaceTime.
party
I'm
coming
doing my
from.
makeup to go on FaceTime.
Oh, you do have makeup because you wanna go to the house party.
No, I'm going on FaceTime. Someone's going to FaceTime me, so I need to look cute.
Who is the house party? Someone is gonna FaceTime you from your
Yeah.
phone like this. You're gonna slap you.
No,
You're
like
gonna.
I have to look cute. I can't look like I just woke up.
Hey, when you wake up from sleep, you still looking beautiful.
How do you know?
Because when you wake up, you call me. I still look in your face
I
like
called you.
yeah.
When?
When
Father.
you wake up for sleep, did you forget? Let me remember you for you. Wait. Let me remember you for you. Let me remember you for you. Remember. When you wake up for morning, you call me. Abi, not morning be that. Wait. Oh, yesterday, before you sleep, you got me. Your face when you wake up, you're not looking like you sleep. You are still looking good. You are still looking beautiful. So I'm telling you the
I
truth.
haven't called you in the morning.
Is yesterday.
See, when you lie, you go. See,
No. Like when I'm talking, like I forget the day when I
no, you
forget
just
the day
forget the
because
lies.
you don't count time. You don't count time. This makeup what you did like this. When you wanna sleep, you're gonna be worshipped.
And then let God punish you, Eva. You called him. Stop lying. I didn't.
Huh?
Huh?
Who's talking for there?
No one.
No, is that somebody around you?
No, there's no one around me.
Nobody around the corner.
No.
No someone around the corner.
No.
And who is speaking PG for you there?
There's no one here.
Nobody speaking PG for you.
There's no one here.
Right now, I'm just here like voice for someone.
What do you mean you're hearing someone's voice? There's no one here.
And like you are creating someone something you but you just follow someone talk.
There's no one here.
See, me, I know there with you for there, so I don't know who's there with you. I don't know. Yes, now.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go now.
When, when,
Because FaceTime.
eh?
Huh?
Because it's first time.
What?
Because it's first time.
FaceTime my boyfriend. What?
Yeah.
Huh?
What did you say right
What
now?
did he say?
Wait now. What did you say right now? You
Nothing.
did something. You did something.
No. No.
I just say right now.
No.
One lie. One lie.
I didn't say anything.
I can't lie. What's when you know of lie like truth? When you say one lie, you say the truth. So I'm lying already. I say one lie already. Yeah, I'm the truth. When you say right now, you say something like just bust my head.
What did you bust your head? What bust your
Okay,
head?
like the thing just coming water in my head. I don't know what's happening, but I just say something like, as in, the thing just creating my head. Some, but you talk something. I don't know you talk something, but I don't know
What?
what you
What?
you talk something, but I don't know what you're saying.
I said
Uh,
going
uh,
to face
with our
boyfriend.
who is that?
Wait.
Which kind of boyfriend? Which kind of boyfriend is that? Which boyfriend is that? Which boyfriend? Which boyfriend? Which boyfriend? Which boyfriend? Are you kidding? You kidding me? You kidding me? You kidding me?